Welcome to week 2. Hopefully this will get you started going through the week 2 materials. During this week you've got 3 sessions to go through, sessions 4, 5, and 6. Session 4 is going to cover the oil and gas industry. It's going to give you just a brief industry overview. Each of these industry overviews is going to follow a similar pattern. There's going to be an objectives page in the slides. There's going to be some key definitions to deal with jargon. And then we're going to talk about industry segments, a few kind of key highlights of that industry. And then we'll go into the job duties and responsibilities, and followed by types of equipment that you might encounter. As you go through these, you're going to see each one's going to look a little bit similar, but then there'll be some differences as well. In addition to the PowerPoints in each of the session folders, you're going to find some supplemental materials. In the oil and gas supplemental materials, you'll find a couple of virtual refinery tours. I strongly encourage you to go look through those virtual refinery tours to give you an idea of what's happening in the refinery. In the session 5, when you get into the chemical plants, I've provided you with a link to the American Chemistry Council page. You can go there and get a lot of industrial information. I've linked you to an infographic talking about the chemical industry and what kinds of jobs and roles might be in that industry as well. Session 6 is on the power generation. We got really lucky here. I've got the PowerPoint as well as 2 different virtual tours from Xcel Energy. One is at one of their power distribution plants and one is at one of their wind farms. So that will also be good as well. And then there's some industrial information about careers in the energy generation industry. So hopefully that will help. You do have 2 discussion boards this week. I've got a couple of different things. I want to make sure that you reply to both discussion boards. So the 10 points are split up between the 2 discussion boards. You have 3 homework assignments, the one for each chapter. They should be fairly easy to get to. They're online, and how that's going to work is you should click on the homework assignment and you will actually have to submit the assignment. You have 3 opportunities to submit. So you can submit once after you do your first pass through. It will tell you what questions that you have that are incorrect, and that's where that's going to help you with the matching, maybe fill in the blank, or if there's a multiple choice or a true false type homework problem. If there's a discussion or an essay problem, it's not going to help you there. But you do have a couple of opportunities to go back in and redo those homework assignments and get those homework assignments in and have 3 opportunities to submit. It is your responsibility to submit the homework assignment. It is not going to submit automatically. If it doesn't get submitted, that's like you didn't turn in your homework. So you want to make sure you get that assignment submitted. And all the homework and responses to the discussion are going to be due Sunday evening at 10 p.m. And that's going to be consistent throughout this semester. I will release a quiz on Thursday. That quiz will cover the materials from week 1 and 2. You will have from Thursday when I release it until 10 o'clock on Sunday to complete your quiz. That quiz information will be useful for helping you study for the test, because the test is going to have similar type problems or similar type questions. So you will want to look at those quizzes, so that quiz gives you a good idea. You need to read your chapter, look through your chapter, keep up with those materials. The supplemental materials are there for you to use. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or use the troubleshooting discussion forum. Hopefully that gets you through this week, and we'll talk to you soon.